Alright, so today I'm gonna be cooking a meal, but it's gonna be breakfast at 9:20 at night. So tonight we're gonna be having eggs, toast, and a hash brown, two hash browns. So let's get started. I chose whole wheat toast, Mr. Bisley, because I thought it would make you proud. You know, I have white bread already. I have white bread. I thought I'd choose whole wheat bread just to make you feel like a little proud of me, you know. So I gotta get the pan out. There's a pan on the stove here. So I'll take you over to my cuisine. I got my pan right here. So first, you gotta put some butter on the pan so the eggs doesn't like stick to it. So I'm making a meal for nutrition class. So I gotta take a video. Yeah, you are. Most fame you ever get.
Can I be the egg?
Can you be the egg? Yeah, you want to get cooked? You want to get cooked? Alright, so first you gotta melt some butter on the pan. Think they're funny. Butter will come off. Let that melt. Might take a minute or two. Next, I'm gonna cook some eggs. I'm gonna have 2 eggs, and in each egg there is 90 calories. But since I'm having 2, there's gonna be 180 calories, and these eggs are full of protein. Right? So just give me a sec here. Spread out my butter. I learned that little trick from my mom. I'm gonna make my eggs over easy or fried. So you gotta do, just gotta crack them. Always get some shell in there. It's all good. This one, it's a pretty bad egg, but it's okay. That was a really shitty egg. So these 2 eggs are actually gonna like be together. Alright, so just give me a sec. Show you what's going on here. So all my eggs didn't really turn out well, but as you can see, they're coming along. Alright. So these cook. Turn out well. One of them's gonna be kind of a scrambled egg, I guess. It doesn't really crack easy. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Still an egg. Next, we're gonna put toast in the toaster. Nice job fighting in the video, buddy. You got some sense. So whole wheat bread, stay healthy. Just one piece. Put it in the toaster. Pick up on my eggs here. Yeah, that's a bad egg. So while we're waiting for the eggs, I might as well get started on the hash brown. That's it. Two hash browns. You're supposed to go in the oven, but I'm too lazy. So. Egg should be almost done here. Yes, sir. Yes, well, these hash browns are going to take a while because they're frozen and I got them on the wrong pan, so. So, might as well, the toast has 75 calories in each piece. So 150 calories for two if I would have two, but I'm only having one. As you can see, it's done. And the toast also has 6 grams of protein since it's whole wheat, so I'd say it's pretty good. And for the hash browns, since I'm having two, it's going to be 138 calories for 2 hash browns. And hash browns have potassium and vitamin C. The eggs are done. Just waiting for the hash browns here, and I'll catch up to you when hash browns are done.